Hello my friends, welcome to New Chiva, a health and wellness service that is based on the principles of Ayurveda. Today I'm going to show you how to make the hibiscus flower tea and also a hair pack from the leaves, all of which have amazing benefits. There are over 200 varieties of hibiscus. The red and white flowers are used for their therapeutic benefits. The flowers close up in the evening and usually last for 3 days. The hibiscus flower is rich in vitamin C, potassium, minerals, iron and antioxidants. Let's make a tea from the fresh flowers. If you don't have fresh flowers, that's okay. You can buy the dry flowers which are available online. I like to shake the flower just to make sure that there are no bugs and no insects in there. The next thing I'm going to do is remove the stamen. And I'm going to remove the green part at the bottom. I'm going to wash the flower. I've taken 1 cup of water and I'm going to use 1 flower. I'm going to just drop the flower in there and allow it to boil for about 20 minutes. I'm not covering the pot because I want the water to evaporate so that I can get a concentrated decoction. The tea has been boiling now for almost 20 minutes. Let's take a look. As you can see, the color is almost greenish. It's not red like you may have expected. I'm going to turn this off now and cover it for another 10 minutes and let it steep. Please consult with your doctor before taking any herbal products. Now the tea is ready. You can use it just like this, or we can make it even more effective by adding some lemon juice to it. Here's our flour and we are going to take that out. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to this. That's 1 and that's 2. Notice that the color has changed to an orange once we added the lemon juice to this. Let's go and keep this outside in the sun for about an hour. So it's a nice sunny day and I'm going to keep the hibiscus tea in the sun now. Let's talk about the therapeutic benefits of this tea while we wait for it to cure in the sun. It is cooling, it's light, it's drying and it's analgesic. Analgesic means relieving pain. It is useful in conditions like menstrual cramps or menorrhagia where there is too much bleeding, or inflammation in the stomach where there is a burning sensation in the stomach or the chest or the throat. It's good for all of those. It also helps to support balanced estrogen levels. If you suspect that there is early menopause, then you can use some of this tea. And also it is hypotensive. So hypotensive means something that can lower the blood pressure. Because of its styptic qualities, styptic means something that can arrest the flow. Because of the styptic quality, it is also used as a contraceptive. So just be mindful if you are trying to get pregnant, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding or have high blood pressure or taking any medication for balancing the hormones, then please do not use the hibiscus tea internally. This tea is traditionally used for supporting balanced estrogen levels and also to calm the mind. So it can be used in the evening for a good night's sleep. If you are using the white hibiscus flower, then in India, traditionally milk and rock candy is added to that because it supports the strength of the cardiac muscles. Because it has an astringent and cooling and drying quality, this tea is used in Ayurveda to balance the pitta and the kapha doshas. For pitta conditions, it can be cooling, and for kapha conditions which are congestive in nature, because of its drying properties, it helps to reduce or balance the kapha dosha as well. Keep in mind that the hibiscus tea also has oxalates in it, so a little quantity will suffice occasionally. You should not be taking large amounts of hibiscus tea over a long period of time, because if the oxalates accumulate, then it can stress the kidneys. So a little goes a long way. So I'm going to keep this tea here in the sun for about an hour and then we'll come back and see what happens. Let's give it 1 hour to cure. When we take it back inside, we'll have to dilute it by adding a little more water to it. I've just brought the tea inside and it has become a little bit viscous. It's a little thicker. So let me just taste it now. It tastes really sour and astringent. So I'm going to add some water to it as per the Ayurvedic recipe. Now I'm going to strain the tea. So we were able to get almost 3 cups of tea from that one flower. Just take a look at this beautiful pink color. You could drink it as is, or you could add some rock candy to it. So here's some rock candy. Rock candy also has a cooling effect. I would not recommend adding honey to this because honey has a heating effect and we are trying to keep the cooling properties of this tea. Let me take a sip. It's so delicious. It has a tangy sour taste to it. It's slightly astringent, but it's very light. I love the color and the taste of it. Let's go ahead and make the hair pack. We are going to make a paste out of these leaves. The leaves have an emollient quality to them. They are cooling, moisturizing, lubricating, and they can be used for various hair conditions like hair fall or very dry hair, brittle hair, or if you have dandruff and hair lice. This hair pack can be used in all of those conditions. I have a fistful of leaves here, which I have already washed, and I'm going to put them in my blender now to make a paste. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. This liquid is very slimy and it has the emollient quality, which means it will be moisturizing, cooling, and lubricating. You can also add other ingredients to this. For example, if you're suffering from severe hair fall, you can add some plain yogurt to it. Or if you want to color your hair, you can add some henna powder to this. If you have very dry, brittle hair or split ends, then you can use the pulp from the aloe plant and mix it in the paste as well. I left the hair pack for 1 hour and then I washed my hair, and I didn't even feel like using soap on my skin. I did not use any shampoo or conditioner. I already feel the scalp is so squeaky clean and the hair feels thicker and very soft. Hair feels really thick and my scalp feels clean, and I would definitely try this again. Since you have watched this video until the end, I have a special 15% discount for you on the Ayurvedic hair oil. Please see the link and use the coupon code in the description below. So there you have it, folks, the hibiscus flower tea and the hair pack from the leaves. Thank you for watching and listening. I'm Zai, a certified Ayurvedic health practitioner. I will see you in the next video. Namaste.